Today we are going to make Agedashi-dofu, which is deep fried tofu with dashi soup. And this is one of my really favorite tofu dish. And normally we eat this Agedashi-dofu at Izakaya. Izakaya is Japanese pub. So I'm just excited. Let's get started. My favorite Agedashi-tofu. Yummy. Okay, let's try. This is tada! Agedashi-do! Itadakimasu! I haven't had a long time because normally when we go to Izakaya and I order this Agedashi-do. Cook at home, post, but normally at restaurant. Okay, excited, one of my favorite top way to eat. Whoop. Really, really, really good. Choma. The soup is good. Tofu, fantastic. And if you like sake, with sake is really good too. I like wine. Cheers. So I hope you try it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.